welcome to Sam's Family House. And I am wisenet smartcam D1, the guardian of this family. When the house is completely empty, it is time for me to get down to some serious business.
Hi there, can I help you?
It's delivery.
Oh, great. Just leave it there. Thank you.
It's just a piece of cake. And I can even protect the package from being stolen. Even when everybody is busy, it's still no problem. Hey you, what are you doing there?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Guys, just see what I can do? Uh-oh, someone is coming again. Ah, Sam's friend is here.
Oh, hey, it's Charlie.
Oh, hi, Charlie.
This is how smart I am. For the people that matter, and for the places that matter.
Daddy!
I am keeping Sam's family safe all day, every day. Know who's at your doorstep with instant face recognition? wisenet smartcam D1 video doorbell.
Don't you wish we lived in the future where we didn't have to sacrifice our coziness to figure out who's at the front door?
Well, the future is calling, and it's called RemoBell.
Yes.
RemoBell. It's a wireless video doorbell.
Quickly install on your front door, your porch, the garage you share with your annoying neighbor, or any other weird places you might want to keep an eye on. Installation is easy. Just screw this baby on like this, and you're good to go. Seriously, that's it.
Guess what? The perfect dress I ordered online is finally coming. And despite my zen-like patience, I can't help but check tracking info every few minutes and sprint towards the door every time I hear a sound. But now with RemoBell, false alarms, stolen moments, and crushed dreams are a thing of the past. It will let me know the exact second that my package arrives at the door by giving me a motion sensor notification. Quickly deal with the outside world, your way, on your time.
Hey, well, I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, no problemo. I'm just chillaxing.
No.
Hey, it's hot. Yeah. Oh, shoot.
Introducing Zmodo Greet Pro, a Wi-Fi doorbell and smart home hub. Featuring an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. Dual-band Wi-Fi makes connecting to your router fast and easy. Hear your chime anywhere with the included Zmodo Beam. Beam also works as a Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring the Greet has great signal. See who's at the door and even speak with them, all through the Zmodo app.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door. Thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Greet saves video clips when motion is detected, even if nobody rings. Can't answer a door right away? Greet supports pre-recorded messages to play to your visitors.
Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent.
Review all your alerts in the Zmodo app. They're stored safely in the cloud for access up to 36 hours later. don't want to be disturbed, Greet can be scheduled to silence the chime for a peaceful night of sleep. Zmodo's wireless cameras are compatible with our new cloud recording service. Each camera includes a free 30-day trial. Choose between our 7 and 30-day recording plans. Access your footage anywhere. Security is always the priority. That's why Zmodo's cloud recording uses bank-level encryption to protect your video.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put them around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
Hello, you guys. I see you behind the plant.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Oh my God, she's adorable!
Hello, got your package?
You can just leave it. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hello?
Hello, Tommy?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, I got your pizza.
Hello.
Hello!
Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.